Folks, thanks for tuning in. I'm here with Paul. You've seen him in a couple videos in the past there. We just made our stop at Grandview Co-op here. We're loaded up. Got a bunch of food, we got the sled, a bunch of camping gear. We're making our way to Jackfish Lake, so we're gonna attempt to stay overnight in the shack. We're gonna cook up a gourmet meal a bit later on, so we'll bring you along for that.
Well, we can, rearrange it and fit a pile of shit.
Okay, parked there for the night. All loaded up the second load. Let's head back.
Hot over there?
All right, getting set up in the shack. Got some light going now. All right, we're set up good here, I think. It's pretty warm in here now.
Sweating.
Couple lines in. You're sweating over there?
She's warm in here, yeah. A lot warmer than 12 degrees, I'll tell you that.
Well, I guess that thing's right by the window. Let's move it over here. Let's see what it says after a few minutes. But yeah, this is the place. Check Check it out outside. Turn on the light here. Alright. It's calm outside tonight. A little overcast though, I can't see anything.
That's all right. Come on. Oh.
All right. Getting set up for the night here. Got my bed over here. Paul's over there.
It's pretty comfy.
Almost too warm, hey?
She's pretty hot.
Fire's going away here. If we have to, we'll crack that door open a bit. But yeah, this is pretty damn cozy for sure. Get it cleaned up.
Better cleaned up, yeah.
How'd you sleep, Paul?
It wasn't bad. It was a little bit firm, but I slept good for the first bit. About 5, I started tossing and turning, but that wasn't bad.
About the same for me. I think next time a little more padding. I was okay right here, but this could be a little thicker, but definitely better than nothing at all. I think it's time, what do you say, get some breakfast happening?
Some bacon and eggs.
Bacon and beer.
Put in the fridge too.
Right.
Put on a plate.
What are you up to, Jarrett?
Making some breakfast, buddy. Bacon's done. Get these eggs scrambled up. Then some bagels. Be good. All right.
Well, it's time to head on our way. It was a great night on the lake. Definitely gonna do this again. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.